It's kind of funny, having been in this business for as long as I have, I see cycles of knowledge kind of come and go and in waves. And I'm thinking to myself, and actually we're losing a number of wisdom keepers either to death or to retirement or whatever the case might be there. So there's a new generation that needs to come and take that place. And I think part of the beauty and what really attracts me to TGI is that it is a beautiful educational training ground for the next generation of wisdom keepers to repackage this ageless wisdom for the generation that they're in and then the next generation. There's always going to be a need for sharing wisdom. There's always going to be a need for people seeking information. But I think what we need right now is we're seeing a changing of the guard. And one reason why I feel so strongly with the work and the mission of TGI is to help that next generation of wisdom keepers. Bernie Siegel is a wisdom keeper. We have Joan Borisenko, Jane Goodall, Carolyn Mays, scores of wisdom keepers. But I guarantee everyone I just mentioned is somewhere in their 60s or 70s. We need people in their 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s to step up to the plate. And I got to tell you that when I was first doing this, I was in awe of a lot of these people. These people were my heroes, and this is passing the torch. So we're in a phase right now where we need people to join the relay, pass the torch, grab the torch, and carry this wisdom, because this is definitely the time we need it.